Be honest. Where do you keep your money? Under your bed or in a savings account that gives you nothing in return at the end of every month? Let me tell you something. If your money is not working for you, you are losing money every single day because of inflation. Because the naira in your pocket today, you buy less tomorrow. You know that already. But here is the good news. With just your phone, you can now save and invest in ways that were only available for the rich some years ago. So in this video, I will show you 6 investment apps that Nigerians are using right now to grow their money. I will also explain how each one works and how to make money with them and which of them are best for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to put your money and watch it grow. Now, let's get started. Hi, I'm Peculiar, your money lady. This channel is all about making money, having multiple streams of income, doing wise investments, and watching your money grow without any stress. So if you're stressed about making money this year, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the bell notification icon. Let's get started. Now, the first app on my list is Ladda. Ladda is a savings and investment platform that helps you build discipline and earn up to 20% as annual interest. With Ladda, you can start automated or non-automated savings with as little as 1,000 naira. You can save daily, you can save weekly or monthly towards short or long term goals like emergency, rent, school fees, or business investments. What I love about Ladder is that you can withdraw all your money directly into your local bank account. And your funds are very safe because they partner with SEC, meaning Regulated Asset Managers. What are other ways to make money from this app? You can make money through regular savings. Just save consistently and earn competitive interest. Another way is through investment products. When you save, let's say you save 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira, you earn handsome interest. Now, that is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, no stress way of savings and your share of your interest that will not be touched. The next app is Bamboo. Bamboo is one of the most popular investment apps in Nigeria with over 1 million downloads. Imagine that. What makes Bamboo special is it gives you access to both Nigerian stock exchange and the US stock markets. You can buy shares of companies like Apple, Tesla, Google, Amazon, and you also have opportunities of 3,500 other stock markets. With Bamboo, you can start with as little as $2. They also offer fractional shares, meaning you do not need to buy a share in full. Let's say if a share is selling for $20 and you have $2, they can sell according to your pocket. And you will also earn dividend from that your money. What are other ways to make money from Bamboo? First of all is through capital gains, where you buy stock when they are cheap and sell when the price increases. Second is through dividends. That is the companies you bought stock from will pay you shares of the profits they made from holding your shares. Like as a share owner in the company, they keep giving you interest. Same way to make money here is through Bamboo fixed return. Here you can fix your money here and it gives you 7.5 annual return. Bamboo is best for people who want to own shares of big international companies and earn in dollars. The next app is Cowrywise. If you are a beginner and you do not know anything about investment, please start here. Cowrywise is a wealth management app licensed by the SEC. It allows you to save automatically and invest in mutual funds managed by professionals. You can start with as little as 1,000 naira and earn up to 22% interest per annum. These are other ways to make money from Cowrywise. First is through flexible periodic savings. Here you save daily, weekly or monthly. So it's perfect for goals like rent, school fees or a big project. Second is through mutual fund investment. So here you have access to naira and USDT dominated mutual funds managed by top investment firms. Ten is through stock investment. You buy shares of over 140 Nigerian companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange directly from this app. Cowrywise has one unique feature called Circle. Here you have the privilege of saving together with your friends or family as a group, which will help you to be accountable. So Cowrywise is best for disciplined savers and beginners. App number 4 is RiseVest. RiseVest is one of the most popular platforms for Nigerians who want to invest in dollars. Yes, you know how the value of naira goes down over time. So to protect your money from inflation, you need to hold your asset in stronger currencies like the US dollar. That is exactly what RiseVest does for you. With RiseVest, you can invest in US stocks, US real estate, and fixed income assets, all in dollars. You can start with as little as $10. What are other ways to make money from this app? Through US stock and ETF. Here you own shares of American companies. Second is through real estate. Real estate. So you invest in US real estate properties without to buy an entire house. You earn from rental income, and as property value increases, your money increases. Third is through fixed income. It has lower risk investment that pays regular interest. Lastly is through Naira Vault. This is a Naira based saving opportunity for you and gives you over 12% interest. Now you don't have anything to worry about this. They are all licensed and have been tested and trusted. Now, app number 5 on my list is Invest Naija. This app is powered by Chapel Hill Dam, which is one of the most respected investment firms in Nigeria. What makes this Invest Naija different is that it focuses on education. The app has a section called Learn IM. You can learn with articles, podcasts, short courses, which teaches you about money and investment without any other task. What are other ways to make money with Invest Naija? First is through the SEC registered mutual fund. You can start with as little as 5,000 naira. You invest in funds like the Chapel Hill Durham Money Market Fund. You invest in Paramount Equity Fund and Nigeria Bond Fund. Another way to make money with Invest Naija is through dollar funds. With just $100, you can invest in the Nigerian Dollar Income Fund, which is also registered by SEC. Your money is managed by professionals, not by guessing which stock to buy. When you invest in this Invest Naija, you are certain that your money is safe. The final app on my list is Mare Investment Limited. This app focuses on blockchain technology and cryptocurrency investment. Mare was one of the first investment platforms in Nigeria to focus on cryptocurrency. The company mission is to invest in blockchain technology, the technology behind Bitcoin and other digital currencies. How do you make money with this Mare Investment Limited? You make money through blockchain investments. So the app would invest your money in blockchain technology projects which have the potential for high growth. Second is through cryptocurrency. You get exposure to crypto markets without having to buy and trade coins by yourself. Now, here is a note of warning. We all know how volatile cryptocurrency can be. So tread cautiously. Do not put all your money into it. Now, I would like to hear from you. Comment in the comment section which of these apps have you tried before and what was your experience? If you haven't tried any, which among them are you planning on starting immediately without procrastination? So let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, turn on the bell notification icon so that others will get this awareness. I'll see you in my next video.